I welcome you all for this wonderful session. Data, a key element in every organization. Handling data is the sole responsibility of personnel management to ensure proper data flow inside an organization. When it, when it comes to an organization involved in automotive product design and manufacture, it's quite complicated to manage product development data under one roof. Communicating this available information is much more tricky and challenging. The solutions to rectify these complications are pretty expensive and time consuming to sort out the challenges faced by the automotive firms. These are the agenda for the following session. The challenges faced in automotive industry are difficulty in managing product related data and files, especially parts, assemblies, drawings, and some standards, including reference documents and catalog, across the design and development process, and unable to track legacy data and existing designs for new automotive concepts, which is the most important thing, and managing revisions and versions in existing projects is complicated. Unable to collaborate with multiple location organizations, data segregation and accessibility between departments. Visualizing the explorer view of the automotive and understanding the mechanisms. Difficulties in delivering the right assembly instructions to assembly line. Communicating the right information to the service, engineering and creative service manuals. Solutions for the data handling are: with SOLIDWORKS product data management, you can create and maintain your design data under control with the functionality of finding files, duplicating the files, and duplication of the same file with the different geometry data. PDM helps you to repurposing existing design data with the high functionality and features of advanced searching, integrated file preview, file structure copy and renaming. Manage design revisions more effectively to track design revisions and maintain a complete revision history to avoid the errors of manual approaches. Organizations with multiple locations, either domestically or internationally, can collaborate and work with centralized storage with automated vault, automatic notifications, automated neutral files creations, web connections to access from anywhere at any time with a browser and an internet connection. Secure and protect access to sensitive or priority product information with the secure data access, that is read only or read write or change authentications or release approvals. These can be centralized storage with automated vault replications. Now with SOLIDWORKS Composer, animate and visualize to explore about your product in explored views and also mechanics. Not only that, complicated to visualize the explored view of the automated understanding, the assemblies can be done easily through PDM. Demonstrate clearly and present your product or process using 2D and 3D graphical content, which was quite difficult in delivering the right assembly instructions to assembly lines. And through SOLIDWORKS solutions for technical communication, we have transferred high quality images and even interactive service information to prepare technical documents like manuals and catalog. The benefits are powerful integration of SOLIDWORKS and Windows, find and reuse design data, secured access within the organization, reduce the documentation cost by 25% of the overall, and automating the approval process and the workflow. Not only that, we can also add life to documentation with interactive 3D animations. Thank you, gentlemen and ladies. For any further clarification and query, kindly contact us. Thank you.